Welcome to writing video on Chandrayaan 3, useful for science projects. Chandrayaan 3 is the third lunar exploration mission developed by Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. Following the successes and lessons learned from Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3 aims to further India's lunar exploration capabilities and contribute valuable scientific data about the moon. Objectives. The primary objective of Chandrayaan 3 are demonstrate safe landing, achieve a safe and soft landing on the lunar surface, rover mobility, deploy a rover to explore and study the lunar terrain. Conduct scientific experiments. Perform in situ scientific experiments to enhance our understanding of the moon's surface and subsurface. Chandrayaan 3 consists of two main modules: propulsion module, lander module including rover. Propulsion module and lander module combinedly called as integrated module. The propulsion module is designed to transport the lander module from a geostationary transfer orbit to a lunar transfer trajectory. It includes thrusters and engines for trajectory maneuvers and lunar orbit insertion. Lander. The lander module is equipped with technology for autonomous landing and includes navigation sensors, cameras, laser altimeters, and radars to map and monitor the lunar surface. Landing gear, shock absorbers and legs to ensure a soft touchdown. Communication systems to relay data between the rover, lander and Earth. The rover is a small mobile laboratory designed to traverse the lunar surface. It includes solar panels for energy generation, scientific instruments to analyze soil, rocks, and the lunar environment. Mobility system, wheels and motors to navigate the terrain. Mission profile. Launch. Chandrayaan 3 is launched aboard a GSLV Mk3 rocket. The spacecraft is placed into a geostationary transfer orbit. Lunar transfer. The propulsion module performs a series of maneuvers to transition from GTO to a lunar transfer trajectory. Upon reaching the moon's vicinity, it enters lunar orbit. Lunar descent. The lander module separates from the propulsion module. It begins a controlled descent utilizing onboard sensors and algorithms to navigate and land safely on the moon's surface. Surface operations. After landing, the rover is deployed. Both lander and rover begin their respective scientific missions, collecting and transmitting data back to Earth. Conclusion. Chandrayaan 3 represents a significant step forward in India's space exploration efforts. Its successful execution will not only demonstrate advanced landing technology but also contribute to the global understanding of the moon, potentially uncovering insights about it. Insights about its composition, history, and potential resources. Through Chandrayaan 3, ISRO continues to inspire innovation and scientific curiosity, paving the way for future interplanetary missions. For full video PDF with pictures, visit my Telegram channel.